Engine specifications and features. 2023 Yamaha Tenere 700 is the latest series of Yamaha's dual-sport motorcycles, which bears the name Tahoe's Desert Tenere from the Dakar Rally in the Sahara. The successor to the Yamaha XT660Z was announced for the first time as a T7 concept at EICMA 2016, with a launch expected to be in production in 2018. The refined concept was published a year later. But what about the concept and specifications of the Yamaha Tenere 700 2023 next year? Many predict that Tenere 2023 will add more complete and powerful concepts and features. Yamaha announced that deliveries of the bike would begin in Europe in July 2019, and only a year after the United States due to emissions and other regulations. DOHC4, number 8 valve engine with liquid crankshaft has been properly used and inspected on Yamaha MT-07 and Tracer 700 naked sport motorcycles. Advanced double-cylinder engine. The Yamaha Tenere 700 features a fuel-injected, 689cc, liquid-cooled twin-cylinder engine, derived from Yamaha's award-winning MT-07. This compact mill has the ideal diet for trail adventures, controlled in all riding conditions. Adventure-focused ergonomics. The Tenere 700 has a narrow body, thin fuel tank and a flat seat that allows for optimal conductor agility, allowing the rider to enter the tank in a seated or standing position, providing additional confidence on the ground or asphalt. The guard and handguard work with the cone-shaped handlebars to ensure the longest riding comfort. Not afraid to get dirty. The ultra-high adjustable long-range suspension coupled with the front-mounted 21-inch spokes and 18-inch rear tires ensure that the TE 700 doesn't slip off the pavement. Finish. All 3 disc brakes also have selectable ABS capability, which can be disabled if desired for off-road driving. Improvement meets sustainability. All aspects of the Yamaha Tenere 700 are built to combine Yamaha's legendary reliability with impressive performance. From the compact LED headlights to the strong and narrow steel frame to the smooth balancing engine and LCD gauges. Crystal short machine. High-tech. Developed from the excellent sport bike MT-07 Hyper Nude, the 700 Tenere engine combines outstanding reliability and attractive power supply in a compact, fuel-efficient assembly. Globally similar in size to certain single-cylinder motorcycles, the liquid-cooled, online 689cc DOHC twin-fuel injection engine provides ultimate manipulation of 700 tethers, while the 2-cylinder design delivers smooth, long legs. Cross-board concept. This 2-cylinder engine has a crank function of 270 degrees. Yamaha demolished the crank concept that followed its line straight into the Dakar's dominating XTZ 750 race bike to provide linear torque development in response to driver entry. The CP2 engine is also light, elegant and compact, and offers a high level of communication. Very good machine. Offset cylinder design. The CP2 engine moves the cylinder bore slightly towards the exhaust. This offset reduces the friction of the piston against the cylinder wall for increased reliability, more energy and increased fuel economy.